have multiplied manifold. Beginning of 20th century, just little over 100 years ago, we were just 1.6 billion people. Today we're 8.4 billion people, lot of reproduction. It's not just excessive reproduction, it is just that people are living longer, which is wonderful. So population is multiplied. Essentially, we took charge of death. We postponed our death. The average life expectancy of a human being at the beginning of 20th century was 48 years. Today, it's 70 plus in most places. So when you postpone your death, you should also have postponed your birth. But we didn't do that, so we multiplied literally almost 5 times over in a little over a century. Well, human footprint also has increased in its size, individual human footprint.